Let's use the Pythagorean theorem again to find the hypotenuse of right triangles. We're doing page 4 today. C and D together, you do A and B on your own. This side is A, this side is B. C is always the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle. This is a right angle. This is how you know it's a right triangle, because it has the one right angle. The line immediately across from the right angle is C. It is the hypotenuse. C is always the hypotenuse. Now let's proceed with the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This theorem works when you know the length of two sides of a right triangle and you need to find out the third. Right now, we've always used it to find the length of the hypotenuse. But before we're finished, we'll use it to find the length of A. You can use it to find the length of any side, but we're just starting off with the hypotenuse. Letter C, A squared would be 8 squared, B squared, 11 squared, and then C squared, that's the unknown one, so I bring C squared down. 8 squared is 64. 11 squared is 121. When I add those up, I get 581. Let me get my little calculator. $185 square root is 13.60. It rounds down to, we're rounding them, remember, to the nearest hundredth, so it's going to be 13.60. Since the hundredth is a 0, I'm just going to leave it off and put 13.6. On to D. A is 2, B is 9, 2 squared is 4, 9 squared is 81, C squared we don't know. We add these together, we get 85. C squared is 85, but we want to know what just the C is. So we'll do the square root of each one. 85 square root gives us 9.219. 9.2, we round to the nearest hundredth, and since 9 rounds up, our hundredth digit goes up to 2. So it's 9.22. That is page 4, and you, my dears, may do A and B.